Welcome back. Oh shoot, thought I walked into something. Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Drive at almetaldrivein.com. Check out my Periscope. It is great. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer. Dryer just shoves back in. So I get a call. Actually, I'm teamed up with a couple appliance stores, and client was buying a new dryer. They said, you want to have the dryer vent cleaned out. So she's getting a new one because guess what? The other one broke. Why? We don't have no airflow. So with that being said, come on this adventure. All right, so we're in the, these are classics, bud. But GE Profiles, dude, they're good machines. So here we are. But this machine doesn't work, so let's go find it. Okay, so we know the dryer's just right inside there. So let's find, and we know it's going through the floor. Huh. I do not know. Look at this. Guys, your dryer cannot. Oh, man. Yeah, definitely should have a foundation well. All right, well, and the dryer's not working, so I can't turn it on and test airflow. But what we can do is this. Maybe I'll send the, no. Maybe I'll send camera through. Okay, boys and girls. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send this through. I'm gonna try to anyway. Let's see. Make sure it's recording. I don't know if I'll be able to show the camera or not. I don't know, it's not gonna work like, oh well, I don't know. All right, boys and girls, I got the blower running because again, the dryer's not working, so can't use it. This stuff's gonna come out fast. I think I need to have one back here somewhere. Jeez, and see if y'all hear it get louder and louder, man. And you should start to hear the blower get louder. There we go. Hear that difference? Look at that. Holy cow. This, of course, GoPro's not going to do it justice. Look at this, guys. Yeah, this is something for all you guys. Any of you guys that are trying to start, because there's a bunch of you guys, y'all email me nightly. Any of you guys that are trying to start a dryer vent company, man, left. I doubt this is gonna do it justice, guys, but you know, this is a lot of lint. That's a lot. Man, we got a clean vent. I mean, there's no way to test the airflow because again, the dryer's not working. However, I think the video will speak for itself. I'm having to replace these louvers. Thankfully, it's the same kind of damper. It's a Deflecto. It's still a plastic 3-louver damper. However, Deflectos, they're much better, man. It's no comparison versus what you're gonna buy at like probably Lowe's or something like that. you need to get more in like a mechanical specialty store, something more along those lines. But another big issue, guys, was you remember how much leaves and debris. Look at this, guys. Your dryer cannot. Oh man. We're stopping that thing from breathing. Now it's going to be able to breathe, do what it's supposed to. All right, well, that's a pretty quick one, guys, but you see the point still remains, man. You cannot cover up that dryer vent. I don't care if it's screened or if it's just leaves. You've got to allow those louvers a way to breathe. You got to. Cool thing, I've got one. This is my first of 5 appointments today. So it was good news. It was kind of a quick one, right? So I'm gonna take you guys along for the next one. I don't know if I'll put it in the same video, but hit that like button for me, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps, and the channel's growing fantastic. So I thank you all. Cheers.